How to add anchor links in Mailchimp. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add anchor links in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Mailchimp, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Mailchimp, it is a comprehensive marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes manage and automate their email marketing campaigns, build customer relationships, and grow their brands, in which it has evolved from a simple email marketing tool into an all-in-one solution offering features like audience segmentation, customizable email templates, automated workflows, and detailed analytics. And Mailchimp enables users to create a visually appealing emails, newsletter, and landing pages using its drag-and-drop interface. And now to create an account, you could also log in here or click the link in the description. But in terms of the pricing plan that they offer, you can click the pricing button on the top right corner. Then you will be able to see here that they offer under email marketing the standard plan starting at $10. And aside from that, if you scroll down, it will show you other plans that they offer with its corresponding prices and list of benefits included or featured in here. But after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page or homepage in here on Mailchimp. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options including home, campaigns, or you could also simply go to your profile on the top right corner and click this profile button. And after that, you'd also go to your settings option in order to see the default email builder in here. So just click the settings option on the top panel and click the details in here. And all you need to do is to simply scroll down until you find the email builder that has been default in here. However, as you can see, there is no default email builder since we just created this account. But now to start creating an email in here, all you need to do is simply click the home page on the left side panel or the home option in here. And upon doing so, all you need to do is to simply click to proceed choosing this email templates. By clicking this button, you'll automatically be directed on the page where all you need to do is simply click or choose the template that you prefer to use. Now under these basic layouts, you could also use some other free templates that they offer. I'm going to choose this one. By clicking the apply button, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And from here, we can start customizing this template. And to start adding an anchor links, we can start adding here on the left side panel a content including heading or even a paragraph in here. But firstly, I'm going to start customizing this image in here. By clicking on it, we can click this add button and start uploading or browsing images in here. We can start uploading from our computer files or choosing under this my products or Instagram, Giphy, or even my logo in here. But in those options, I'm just going to upload from my computer files. So just click uploads button and click the upload in here once again. So just simply choose the kind of image that you want to upload in here in order to replace the images on this template. And upon selecting an images, you will be able to see here the result. We have now successfully replaced the images in here. And now to proceed adding an anchor links, we can start adding here on the left side panel a content block, which is this paragraph or even heading. But at this point, I'm just going to enter the paragraph or heading in here by dragging it in this page or on the top of this social media icon. And now for this heading, let's say I'm going to enter here to visit our social media for more info. And after that, to make it an anchor links, all you need to do is simply highlight or select all of this text, and on the top right corner, you'll be able to see here some of the options to navigate. We have here merge tags to make the context bold, italic, which is aside from all of these blocks on the left side panel that we can navigate in here. So just click again on the top panel the option or click the three dots besides here. You'd also click the strike through if you want to. However, at this point, we're just going to choose the anchor link. And to do that, just click this anchor button in here or option. And upon clicking the anchor button in here, it will show you that you need to enter the name. I'm going to enter social in here. But make sure that the context that you enter in here are all in lowercase letter. And if you're now done, just click the save button to save the changes. Now you can see in here that this context is now being anchor link, or it looks like a hypertext link in here. Now the other method that we can do in here is go to the left side panel and here on the content section or blocks and enter the paragraph at this page. And now under this paragraph, let's say I'm going to enter need more info, visit, or social. So as you can see, we've now successfully entered here this different kind of anchor links, but to add this more, I'm just going to highlight this social and link it to our anchor links. And to do that, just click the link icon on the top right corner and link it by choosing or clicking this one into our anchor. And select an anchor link to social. Then click the save button once again. As you can see, the word social in here are already look like a hyperlink text in here, in which the idea if that customer try to click this section or the contact social, they will automatically be directed in our anchor links. So this is basically what it looks like, in which they will be directed in here, where they can visit our social media platform or social media of our account in here. So basically, the main purpose of anchor links in Mailchimp is to improve the navigation and user experience within email campaigns by allowing recipients to jump directly to specific sections of the email. And anchor links are particularly useful in long emails or newsletters with multiple sections such as product catalogs, event details, or lengthy articles. By clicking an anchor link, readers can quickly access the relevant content without scrolling through the entire email, saving time and enhancing engagement. And aside from that, as you can see in here, we'd also change the context color by clicking or choosing here the color palette that we prefer. We can use the style section on the left side panel or the icon font on the top panel in here, such as to make it bold, italic, underlined, and many more. All you need to do is to simply navigate this one. So as you can see, I'm going to change the color of it into this color right here, color blue. And you could also make it bold if you want to. So basically, this feature, anchor links, help businesses to deliver more organized and user-friendly content, increasing the likelihood that recipients will interact with the key information or calls to action. And if you're now done, you can now click the save and exit button on the top right corner to proceed. And overall, that is just basically how to add an anchor links in Mailchimp. Thank you.